All right, today we're going to bring additional cable for your remote cameras, and this is made special for Arlo, but I found that it's compatible with pretty much any camera you have because they give you different options in here. Of course, they give you tie downs, double-sided, so you guys can see it. They give you nail ones so you can run the cable. They give you a little brick for the power, and of course a converter. So this is for the older Arlos. I have a newer one which is a type C Arlo, if you guys can see that. So USB to type C. In case you don't have a solar control, you can always have, and this is a long cable. Like I said, this is compatible pretty much with any camera you have. I have these I have other cameras that are type C also too, so this works on any other camera in here. So we're gonna plug this in, and just to show you guys that it's very basic. So I like the converter. So if you have older systems in this type C, you can plug this in on their Arlo cameras. Unfortunately, I don't have that unit here. I have the newer one. Like I said, I have the type C, but I like that they give you everything included with it. So additional stuff to actually run your cable. I like this. Look at the cable. This is for actually nail down the cable. So the whole kit's included except for the cameras. You get pretty much the cable, the extension, which is the converter, a brick, nail for the nail cabling, and then also double-sided tape if you could tie down the cables. So very simple, easy to use. This works on any camera, even generic cameras. It will charge it up because they take about the same voltage, 5 volts, if you guys can see that. So this is not an Arlo, this is a different brand, but it could do any camera you want with the same connection. So compatible with it, very simple, easy to use.